Shalom everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm thrilled to kick off today's vlog by taking you on an exciting journey through a recent company trip to the stunning city of Nachsholim, where we had the incredible opportunity to explore the historic treasures of Tel Dor. Join me as we dive into the beauty and unforgettable experiences we encountered during this amazing adventure. Let's get started! Hi! Shalom! So we are in Nachsholim! You want to say hi? Hi! So now we are going to walk to Tel Dor. We're using our shoes. We didn't know we will walk beside the beach, the ocean here. This is so beautiful. Hi! So nice. Is this only?
Sofa.
Ate?
Sofa.
What is sofa?
It's called in English snail.
Ah, snail. It's dead? It's dead?
In Asia they eat it.
Let's see. Ah! It's dead. Wow. So a while ago we just found a dead eel. Maybe the ocean just sweep it away here in the beach. Yeah. So it's very pretty here. Look. Super cool. Walking up to Tel Dor offers a captivating experience that blends history and natural beauty. The ancient archaeological site, nestled on Israel's Mediterranean coast, boasts stunning coastal views and a sense of connection to the past. Wow!
Wow!
So beautiful! Wow, 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 wow! A time to relax, you see? People! Welcome to Tel Dor Nature Reserve. Welcome to Tel Dor National Park, a unique site on the coast with a breathtaking view, nature and heritage, land and sea, and a rich past and present. On a tour of Tel Dor, the ancient port city, you'll discover many interesting elements: the sea and the people who choose to live near it, the importance of preserving the heritage of the past, and the task of protecting our marine and coastal environment.
If we go back to the beach, the corner in front of us is Athlete. There is a very nice crusader fortress there, but it's the base of the Israeli Navy Sea. I don't know if anybody can visit it, but it's very nice. And this is one of the nicest beaches of Israel. This part, Chof Abonim, this is Moshav Abonim.
Tel Dor is a large mound located on Israel's Mediterranean coast, about 30 kilometers south of Haifa. It is identified as Biblical Dor and with Dor or Dora of Greek and Roman sources. The documented history of the site begins in the Late Bronze Age, though the town itself was founded in the Middle Bronze Age, and ends in the Crusader period. The port dominated the fortunes of the town throughout its 3,000-odd-year history. Dor was successfully ruled by Canaanites, Sea peoples, Israelites, Phoenicians, Assyrians, Persians, Greeks, and Romans. Its primary role in all these diverse cultures was that of a commercial entrepot and a gateway between East and West.
What they take out from the sea, it's amazing. Bullets from Napoleon times of cannons and anchors and a lot of...
Last time we were here. What is this?
Salty. You have it all over the Mediterranean, especially on the
Edible.
You have it also in Tel Aviv by Hilton in the sea. When you see this,
Wow, it's salty, yes!
because it takes all the salt from the air and takes it out.
It's like a salt. Are you eating salt? Hi guys! So we just get back down again from our tour in Tel Dor, and as you can see, it's such a very beautiful site with such an amazing history. It's super nice and interesting, guys. So visit Tel Dor! As I stand in awe of beauty of Tel Dor, surrounded by the remnants of ancient civilizations, it's impossible not to be struck by the deep connection between history and our present. The echoes of the past serve as a reminder that the stories of those who once lived here are intricately woven into the tapestry of our world today. History isn't just a collection of events confined to the past. It's a reservoir of wisdom that can guide us into the present and shape our future. The lessons we learn from the people who inhabited this land before us are as relevant as ever. As we walk in the footsteps of those who walked this ground centuries ago, let's carry their legacy forward by fostering understanding, compassion, and empathy. Let's recognize that history isn't a static concept, but a dynamic force that continuously shapes us. By embracing the knowledge of the past, we equip ourselves to navigate the challenges of today and tomorrow with greater wisdom. So, as we say goodbye to Tel Dor, let's remember that we are part of an ongoing narrative, a chapter in a book that stretches far beyond our own time. Let's cherish history as a guidepost and let its lesson be a beacon of light in an ever-changing world.